Hello students, hope you are good. Today we are going to discuss one program. Okay, fine. Okay. So there is one structure. Okay, I will show you exact textbook. Okay, say program number 11. Okay. So this is the program number 12. Doc type declaration, HTML head, title, conditional statement, title tag clothes, script tag, language equals to JavaScript. Fine. We already discussed features, right? Features of JavaScript. And now this one program, it's all different. Okay. To check age. Okay. And display particular message that is qualify for driving. Okay. Or not. This will depend upon condition within if else. Fine. And now in that there is a form, and this is a first total different concept for you, because this is a function area and we called exactly function definition area. Okay. And we called on button. See here, this is a function called. Fine. Function name is check. We require exact name. Okay, to execute exactly function definition. Fine. Yes, exactly function called, which is execute. We execute exact block of code. Fine. So this area is called as function definition. There is one variable age. Okay, who stores string type. It's a string type. I'm going to enter in text editor. Fine. Function check. Okay, and now in that I'm going to declare variable. But first of all we have to know about function called, okay, which is on form, right? Now in that I'm going to put one text box as well as element. Fine. Enter your age and text field. So simply put enter your age colon text field. Input type, put type equals to text. Okay, within double quotes. And now name is equals to t1. Okay, we have to check which one is there. Okay, t1 is there. Fine. After that there is a br tag, and to go next element on another line. Fine. Then value equals to submit. Okay, input type equal to button, value equal to submit. So simply put SUBMIT. SUBMIT. Fine. On click. Now on click is what? Yes, absolutely right. Event handler. Okay. Okay. Now on click is equal to which function is required to called. See, check in that function definition. There is a check word. Okay. It's a user defined one. So directly put chsck curly rounded bracket and semicolon. See, exact characters are required. We need to match it with function definition area. Okay. You know, JavaScript is very case sensitive. So lowercase letter, all characters in lowercase. Okay, fine. So fine, there is one variable var space h. Okay, semicolon. Now after that, age equals to text box, means text field name. Age equals to form name is what? F1. So directly you can put F1. Okay, F1 dot T1 dot value. Okay. Okay, so now age equals to, yes, if one is correct, perfect, but small character. Okay, when you talk about form name, we have to declare exact, we need to add an exact form name. Okay, so f1, small f1 dot t1 dot value. After that, see this was one about text box. Okay, and text box value which is transferred to the variable which is hold by variable name is age. Okay, fine. And then okay, now main part is remain, that is a condition. To check condition using if statement, if in bracket age is greater than equals to 18 1 8. Okay, curly bracket start, curly bracket close. See, greater equals to means including 18. Okay, not only more than 18. Fine. Curly bracket open, curly bracket close. In that alert statement, okay, qualifies for driving, ALERT. Okay, alert. It's not possible to add. Okay, directly we able to enter alert in bracket double quotes, qualifies for driving. Okay, semicolon. Then else part, let me copy it, else part, paste over it into else block and simply put not, does not qualifies for driving. These already exist. Okay, so simply I need to put what does not qualifies. Yes, fine. See, curly bracket close, curly bracket open. When you talk about if statement, these are optional. Okay, if there is a single statement in block, Okay, fine. So that's why displays exactly into textbook differently. Okay, see, there's a only opening curly bracket for function and closing curly bracket for function only. Okay, then let me save this file into proper directory. check.html. Okay, .html is extension. Check is a file. See, this is a ready file. Let me execute on Internet Explorer. Let me accept it. Yes, enter string. You can see program is nothing but one tester. So if I press 20, then display qualifies. If I enter below 18, if I refresh it, reload it, and I'm going to enter less than 18. So it displays does not qualifies for driving. Fine. Okay. If I press 18, then displays qualifies message. Okay. So that's why I use what, which type of character, less than equals to. Yes, less than equals to means including 18. Right. If I remove it, then displays does not. Okay, when I refresh, reload it, and simply press, it shows does not. Okay, because there is no equal to operator. Fine. These characters are also important to check exact condition. Comparison operator, we can say comparison operator in JavaScript. Yeah, again I am to 18 and say display such type of message displays. Now in that code there is output. Okay, in text box, another text box. So we require, let me save this program by entering file name. Okay, and .html extension into appropriate destination folder. Okay, let me clear all these statements because it's a new program number 13. Instead of checks display, I need to change same into called function area. And now main part is what, we have to declare different type of elements in form. So input type equal to button, name equal to np1, value equal to press button, or press yes, press button, and on click is equal to file name display. Okay, now we require one more element. Instead of AGP, we are going to enter string, because we are accepting what, string from user, and this accepted string we need to convert into uppercase letter. Okay, so this is the requirement of program. When end user enters small or lowercase letter in box, then we just convert it into, it display converted text means okay. Now this time on key press event handler is there. Okay, everyone knows about on key press instead of on click. Now on click press is a event handler. Okay, exactly. Now here using on key press, okay, it is one of the event. Okay, simply put, instead of on click, on key press, KEYPRESS, on key press. Okay, which is when user presses a key, then which is occurred. Okay, and exact function name display, that is display. After that there is one element. Okay, to enter what? Uppercase string. Okay, uppercase string here, or uppercase string colon string is input equal to text name equal to t2. Fine. Now we need to enter code in script. First of all, BR tag is not necessary, so delete it. Now BR tag is required after button, and now in script area there is a var to declare variable. str is a variable, and I'm going to store value in that. So using f1.t1.value, it means what? First text box value, which is held by str variable. Okay, which is already given in textbook, right? Now we have exact value. Now we need to use particular string function. Okay, and that function, everyone knows about built-in function in JavaScript. Okay, it's already discussed. Fine. Okay, now another statement is a text box second equals to object dot function name or object dot method name. Okay, so form1 means f1 dot t1 f1 dot t2 dot value. Okay, t2 means second text box equals to str dot to uppercase, sorry, c-a-s-e bracket. Bracket means function, it's a built-in function of string object. Okay, so this function is used to convert exact input string into output. Okay, so browser JavaScript can interpret exact output. Okay, so these characters are very important to declare. Okay, because these are reserved words. Fine. Okay, let me execute the same on Internet Explorer. Accept our block allow content. Oh, there is another program. Let me execute this one. Okay, yes. Now I'm going to enter information text information. When user presses a button from keyboard, then which is happen, which is not triggered by cursor. Okay, because we return what? We already return on key press. Now I want to show you exact using tab key from keyboard. See, when I enter tab key and it displays information in uppercase. Okay, later. This is possible because of on key press is there. Okay, now I am going to enter another value like this. It shows exact output. Okay, now let's move to the another program number 13. Actually it's a very lengthy program. Okay, see, these few programs are remain and our topic is covered. Okay, see, output is also, and there is one source code. So doctor type declaration, HTML head. Okay, it's a semantic type of tags. Okay, how to use semantic tags effectively in HTML5. Okay, let me click on save as to make duplicate. Okay, save as, entering proper name dot extension. Okay, It's program number 14, so program 14.html. Fine, and simply click on save. So this is a program 14. Let me clear all because it's not related to the script. I'm going to clear script area. It's a simply HTML semantic HTML5 program, or HTML5 simply. Fine. It's okay. Then there's a BG color yellow, and form, we don't want form, we just required header section, footer section, and article. Okay, so body BG color equals to yellow, equals to, in double quotes, yellow text, yellow color. Okay, now in header is a pair type of tag. In that there is one h1 and p. Okay, statements. Okay, after adding header section, another header which use h1 and h2, header open, header close, ter. Okay, h1. Fine. Now I'm adding all now part. After that I'm going to add a side element. Okay, ASIDE. Fine. So in aside section we have two hyperlink. One is Statboard website link and another one is exam info. dot image dot hsc dot ac dot e. Fine. So exact website name, online exam. Fine. Now last article element is remain. In that p tag, the article element, okay, responsible for represent an independent section. Fine. The last part, okay, footer section, footer element, and now in that there is a copyright information and particular name. Okay, remember one thing, actually there is no copyright symbol on keyboard. We need to enter exact character. See, copyright 2018, right? So and ampersand copy semicolon is the exact code, and 2018 Palbharti. Fine. So and copy semicolon is used to interpret exact copyright symbol on web page. Fine. Footer close, and here we go. So this is the output of program number 14. Fine. If you understand how to execute the code, and see, it is very important, copyright symbol